Let's learn how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. So you may be seeing some suspect things, and now you think that someone got into your account, or has your password, and now he can have the access to your YouTube or any other reason. Whatever it is, don't worry. I will show you how can you log out from all devices, or just one if you like to just follow my steps and stay until the end of the video so you don't miss something. Without wasting your time anymore, let us start by opening YouTube app from your starting screen. When you opened it, wait for app to load and go to your profile page by tapping on this U button with your profile picture in bottom right corner. When profile page opened, search for this Google account bold button with G icon. This will open you pop-up page with your Google account settings, data, info, and ECT. You will see that you're on Home tab at first. Swipe a bit right until you see a Security tab. You will have to go there, and when you did that, you will have to scroll all the way down until you see your device section that says where you are signed in. This will show you the list of all devices that are logged to your account. To log out from one of them, tap this blue Manage All Devices button. After that, it will open New Your Devices page with, again, list of your devices to log out from one of them. Find that one you want and just tap anywhere around it. Now you will be redirected to new screen with some info of that device. About most of this stuff you don't care. Most important thing here is this sign out button with like exit icon. To sign, click it. Now one pop-up will appear. Just tap on sign out again and you are finished. Now you can repeat this process with other devices that are not yours. Don't remember to change the password, as it can help very good, because it automatically removed devices from account. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.